What's up, Boogey Lights fans? Today we're going to be answering one of our most frequently asked questions, and that's how to pair your M7 remote. Let's get started. So first, if you believe your M7 remote is not working, please make sure you have a red LED on the front of your handheld remote. That should light every time you press a button. If not, the battery within your handheld remote has died. You'll need to go ahead and replace that CR2025 alkaline battery before you can proceed. So then next, we can try repairing that remote with the controller module. Locate the controller module within your RV, motorcycle, golf cart, you name it. No matter what you're lighting up, your controller module should always be mounted in a dry area with adequate ventilation. Boogey Lights modules, they're not waterproof and they should never be in a tight closed space as to avoid overheating. So in this example, you will see that we're using our Plus series controller module. Now that comes standard with all of our RV awning kits. So once you've located your module, you'll notice that the LED indicator on it will be lit up. This indicates that the module has adequate 12-volt power. Now if that LED indicator is not lit up, you'll need to go back and check your power source and wiring. And if you need help with it, please refer to our reconnect video that you can find on our website. Next, go ahead and press that reset pairing button on the module. Notice that that indicator light begins to flash. Now folks, that's telling you that your module is ready to pair. Now press the power button on your M7 remote and you're good to go. Your Boogey Lights should immediately come on to bright white. If they come on to any other color, please check the connections between the light strip. Your remote is now paired with this module, and keep in mind that you can pair multiple M7 remotes with one controller module. That's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 800-847-1359 or visit us online at boogielights.com. Light 'em up and drive safe.